Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to tell if Bitlocker is enabled in Windows 10, so you can easily check the encryption status of your drives. Step 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar, then click to open the Control Panel app. This is where Windows lets you manage important system settings, and it's the first place to check for Bitlocker. Step 2. Next, change the view at the top right corner to either small icons or large icons. This makes all the control panel options visible, so you can easily find the Bitlocker settings. Step 3. After that, click on Bitlocker Drive Encryption. This section shows all the drives on your computer and whether they are encrypted or not, which is very important for protecting your data. Finally, look at the list of drives. If a drive shows Bitlocker on or encrypting, it means encryption is enabled. If it shows Bitlocker off, then Bitlocker is not active on that drive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.